Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I'm coming on today to do the third layout with my Not Just for Boys Kit Club kits for March 2022. And I am working with the page kit that is called These Moments. It's super gorgeous. So I know I want to use this for my background because it's a wood grain. That's my whole story. Yes. I think I may just go ahead and mat it on this. Okay, great. I'm going to do that. But I have this idea in mind as well that I want to create a wreath. So I started to cut out, they're not detail cut out yet, they will. This piece is called the Four Seasons Winter number 4. So I'm going to cut these pieces out, right? Picture them being pretty because they're not pretty yet. Well, they're gorgeous, but you know, as this gorgeous wreath. Great. Woohoo. Lovely wreath. I'm going to have this photo of these gorgeous girls, and I am trying to see, no, too big, if any, oh, these are going to be a part of my wreath. Hold on. Oh, but wait. Is this still too big? Same size. Okay. Perfect. So I will go ahead and put, do I want that one or this one? I think I like this one better. I'm going to cut the picture and frame it with these gorgeous, gorgeous pieces. I think these are amazing. They have real stitching on them, by the way. I don't know if you guys saw those. Those are so cool. So I'm going to go ahead and frame my picture. I have that, and then I'm looking for the one other piece that's in my kit. Look at that, wood grain for my title. And, oh, I can do the word wonderful. That is a la carte for this. But I have a, what do you call it? A die. That's this leafy die that comes with this stuff. Here it is. Here it is. From Rosie's Studio. And I'm going to go ahead with different scraps that I have and create little sprigs coming out as well. I think that's so awesome. This is what made me want to make a wreath kind of thing with the whole layout. So I think it's going to be wonderful. Something. Don't know what yet, but we're going to go with it. So I'm going to start working on this. It's going to take me a long time, you know, to detail cut out and all that stuff behind the scenes, but we'll go ahead and do it. It's going to be fun. Oh, I also have these great finishing touches that are in the color called Peacock. Those would be great with it. I have all kinds of great things. I really do. This stuff is beautiful. So I'm going to start working on this, doing all my kind of stuff, and I will bring you back when I have it fleshed out a little bit more. Okay, be back in a second. Okay, guys, I have my pieces cut out. I also scuffed up the edges just a little bit of my frame, and now I'm working on taking off the floral, like some of the floral bits from these adorable florals that are in the a la carte part of the shop. I'm going to paint the flowers themselves with speckled egg, well, you know, put ink on it, and then the leafy bits in bundled sage. So that's just going to take me a minute, but I do find it to be so fun to do this. I don't know why. It's rather rewarding. So just thought I'd catch you up on what I am working on. So I think it's coming together really well. I'm probably going to have to back this acrylic to make it pop against the deep wood grain since it's such a nice deep blue and all that kind of stuff, but I'm going to keep going with it. Oh, and I want to run this teal polka dot with this, as well as, hold on, wait. I have that to run it through. I have white. I have got this piece here from 49 Market. So I want to have leafy bits sticking out here, there, and everywhere. So I have the placement of most of the pieces, and then I looked down on my desk and I saw these pieces that I had cut the little leafy bits from, and I decided to use them as a stencil using the 2 ink colors that I had out to color in my wood veneer. And they're not going to be super bold, but it's a little something extra that's going to be in the background. So I use one just for the greenish tone, and I use one just for the bluish tone. I was like, why not? I cut them out. I already have them done, but they made a fantastic kind of a stencil thing. So you can see on my layout some of those bits with this great blue tone as well. And like I said, I know it's a dark wood grain and all that, but it's giving just a little bit of extra dimension, I guess, a little bit more interest on my page. Then I'll go ahead and be able to get the leafy bits put in and all of that. So now I'm going to go back and space out how everything should line up. I'm going to use some of these gorgeous finishing touches there in the a la carte section of the store and pop them between each one of the floral clusters. And I'm using the medium and the large sizes. And then I'm going to go ahead and use some of these sequins that are the bee's knees and do the same exact thing. Here's a quick look-see at where you see the little sequins and you see the finishing touches. Then I'm going to go in with this Shimmers and Olive You Truly from another one of our kits, the Relax and Read kit, and do splatty bits here, there, and everywhere. So look at how well that color goes with this kit. Of course it goes with Relax and Read, but it's this lovely icy olive tone that I think brought this together so incredibly nicely. So that is this layout finished, and I'm gonna have a bunch of still shots coming up. I'll also have links for where you can purchase the Kit Club, the Facebook group, and the blog, so you can see how all of the design team worked with these kits. All right, that's it for now, my friends.